Hello, welcome to the Breazehome Skype tutorial. My name is David Guerra. This project is operating under the mentorship of product owner Dr. Masood Sajadi. We'll start by downloading Skype. If you're a Windows user, Skype is probably already built into your operating system, but personally, I prefer to download the desktop version. Once we have Skype downloaded and running, we'll have to create an account. Create an account using your FIU email and personal cell phone number. Once your account is created, head over to your FIU email and wait for your Skype confirmation code to arrive. When your code arrives, simply paste it into the account registration and the process should be complete. Now we'll just need to set up your profile. As one final step, please include a picture of yourself into your Skype profile to help identify you during our weekly meetings. This has been David Guerra, and I wish you good luck on this project.